Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we explain why did Sweden support the Vietcong in Vietnam War. Olof Palme, the PM of Sweden, 1969 to 1976, was one of the many supporters of the Vietcong, which influenced the Swedish government's involvement. From the mid-60s onwards, the conflict in Vietnam was a common talking point of his. One of the first criticisms which created international interest was on February the 21 Stone, 1968, where he participated in a demonstration alongside North Vietnam's ambassador in Moscow, Nguyen Tho Chan. The speech that he gave was a summary of many of his perspectives. Another speech that he gave in 1972 comparing the recent bombings of Hanoi to Treblinka created even more commotion, and led to frozen diplomatic relations with the US. Olof Palme, however, did not share the political perspectives of the Vietcong. His main focus was on recognizing the horrors of war. As such, I think that is fairer to see him as a proponent of peace rather than a proponent of North Vietnamese ideology. Written in Swedish. Here is an article describing Palme's actions and perspectives during the Vietnam War with more detail. Olof Palme och Vietnamfrågan, 1965 to 1983. Much of the support did not come from the Swedish government itself, but instead from popular movements such as United NLF groups. This was a widely successful group, and probably did a lot more than Olof Palme when it comes to seeing Sweden as a supporter of the Vietcong. Their ideological involvement varied, but peace was their core issue. There were also other pro-Vietcong groups, such as the Communist Party, which notably during 1973 organized a collection to buy an AA gun for the Vietcong. It should be noted that while the PM of Sweden and a very large popular movement favored the Vietcong in various ways, the Swedish government did not officially support either side, remaining neutral. The United NLF groups frequently criticized the Swedish government's position about Vietnam.